How to make chicken noodle soup. Please like and share this video. Delicious chicken noodle soup recipe. Comfort in a bowl when you're craving comfort or fighting off a cold. Nothing soothes like a warm bowl of chicken noodle soup. This easy recipe brings that cozy satisfaction to your table in just 40 minutes, using simple, flavorful ingredients. Key ingredients for chicken noodle soup: onions and celery. Start with diced onions and chopped celery, sautéed in butter to build the foundation of flavor for your soup. These ingredients release a wonderful aroma and provide the first layer of richness. Broth: a mix of chicken and vegetable broths gives this soup its deep, savory taste. If you're in a pinch, feel free to use just one or the other based on availability. Chicken: use cooked chicken breast or, for a quicker option, leftover rotisserie chicken. This budget-friendly shortcut keeps prep time down without sacrificing taste. Noodles: egg noodles are ideal here, as they hold up well in the soup. Wait to add the noodles until the final simmer to keep them from turning mushy. Carrots: for added color and sweetness, add sliced carrots. To retain a bit of crunch, add them toward the end of cooking, or if you prefer softer carrots, toss them in with the onions and celery. Basil and oregano: dried basil and oregano enhance the soup's flavor, adding an earthy warmth that's both subtle and comforting. Step-by-step guide to make chicken noodle soup. Follow these steps to create this comforting chicken noodle soup. These tips will ensure your soup is packed with flavor and satisfying textures. 1. Choose the best noodles for your soup. Egg noodles are the classic choice, but if you have rotini or fusilli, they can work too. These shapes add a pleasant texture and won't fall apart. 2. Customize with extra flavor. If you're looking to enhance the taste further, try adding garlic, bay leaves, rosemary, thyme, or a pinch of herbe de Provence. Adjust the seasoning to suit your preference. 3. Use what you have on hand. This recipe is versatile and allows for substitutions. If you're out of butter, use oil instead. Swap bouillon cubes and water for broth if needed, and feel free to use rotisserie chicken for convenience. What to serve with chicken noodle soup? While chicken noodle soup is delicious on its own, pairing it with a side can make the meal more satisfying. Here are some bread-based options that go well with this soup: basic biscuits, grilled cheese sandwiches, French baguettes, classic dinner rolls, toasted garlic bread. How to store and freeze chicken noodle soup. Storing leftovers. Store leftover chicken noodle soup in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for 3 to 4 days, allowing you to enjoy a quick, comforting meal whenever needed. Freezing chicken noodle soup. To freeze, let the soup cool completely and divide it into serving-sized portions. Use freezer bags or airtight containers, labeling each with the date. For the best texture, consider freezing the soup without noodles, as they can become mushy when thawed and reheated. Frozen soup will last up to 6 months. To reheat, warm the soup on the stove until heated through. Chicken noodle soup recipe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon butter, half cup chopped onion, half cup chopped celery, 14.5 ounce cans chicken broth, 14.5 ounce can vegetable broth, half pound cooked chicken breast, chopped 1.5 cups egg noodles, 1 cup sliced carrots, half teaspoon dried basil, half teaspoon dried oregano, salt and ground black pepper to taste. Directions. 1. Cook the vegetables in a large pot, melt butter over medium heat. Add onions and celery, cooking until they become tender, about 5 minutes. 2. Combine ingredients. Add the chicken broth, vegetable broth, chicken, egg noodles, carrots, basil, oregano, salt, and pepper. Stir to combine. 3. Simmer the soup. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and simmer for 20 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld. Serve hot and enjoy.